Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going for this dewy glowing makeup look. You can wear this look on everyday makeup or in parties and it's so perfect for summer, so keep watching guys. To moisturize my face today I'm using MAC Strobe Cream in color Peach Light. And after that for my base I am applying the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. I am applying it mostly to the area near my nose where I have most visible pores. And after that I am using MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. And to correct my skin before applying foundation, I am using this Maybelline New York Master Camo in shade 02 Medium. It's a nice corrector kit with creamy consistency. I'm applying this peachy shade on my dark circles and also some spots which are on my face. And using this thick concealer brush, I'm going to buff it in. For my foundation today, I'm using Dior Skin Forever foundation. It has SPF 35 and it's really nice for a dewy effect. And I'm going to apply it smoothly with the damp beauty blender. For my concealer today, I'm using NYX Professional HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Shade which I'm using today is Nude Beige. I'm applying it on my dark circles, my crease, and also near to some dark areas near to my nose and mouth. And I'm just going to blend my concealer using a damp beauty blender again. To start with my brows, I'm using my current favorite NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil and the color I use is brunette. Because I already have thick eyebrows, I like to use a brow pencil which is not that thick and it just covers my bald spots. To set my brows, I'm using Benefit Gimme Brow Plus in shade 4.5. For my eyeshadow today, I'm using NYX Professional Makeup Mystic Petals palette. I'm using this warm pink shade as my transition color to start with. I'm working to build this color over my crease with a smooth blending brush. And this look remains really simple. I'm using this sheen purple color as my base. I'm just going again with this color pink over my crease area. Using a small blending brush, I'm also applying this transition shade below my lower lash line. And then I'm just going over this sheen purple color and I'm applying it on my inner corner. For my waterline, I'm applying Lakme Iconic Kajal in color black. I'm applying this little also above my lash line. And using this small shader brush, I'm going to smudge it in for the smoky look. I'm also going to smudge my lower lash line with the same brush. I'm using Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara and with this we complete our eye look. I'm just going to highlight my brow bones and inner corner using this white sheen shade from the same palette. This works best with a pencil brush. As we want this look to be more sheen, I'm avoiding any powder products. For this, I'm using this liquid blush from NARS in shade Orgasm. I'm just going to use 2 drops per side as it's more than enough, and I'm going to use this large blush brush to smudge it in. If you got overboard with your blush, you can use a damp beauty blender and you can smudge it in and it will melt with your foundation. This blush looks really dewy and it has so good finishing with a little bit of sheen and sparkle in it. For my highlighter today, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Illuminizing Primer. It is really dewy, and as I want to avoid any powder products, it worked really best for this look. For my lips today, I'm using Bourjois Rouge Edition Velvet Matte Lip Color, and the shade which I'm using is a Happy Nude Ear. It's really subtle yet bubbly pinky shade which I thought would really go with this look. And with this we complete our look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and please do comments if you have any looks which you want me to try out for you.